have the GMC PL-18HEM. Go ahead and turn the power on. One side is closed and one side is open. Feed your material, line it up, and push it through. You want to keep slight pressure against it as it goes down so it doesn't walk out of the machine, but it should guide itself relatively easy. This side is the closed hem. We'll go ahead and walk to the other side of the machine to perform the open hem. Same thing, we're going to put it in here, feed it through, and we're just going to hold slight pressure against it all the way down. This side we have the open hem.